What is up, guys? It's me, Firewolf14 here. I'm just playing Would You Rather. Okay, and let's get started. Would you rather kill someone you hate, get caught, kill someone you love, and never get caught? Suppose info no. One, well, 133,000. Wait, yeah, 1,133,686. I'd rather neither. Would you rather be a deep sea diver and your oxygen tank runs out? Be a bungee jumper and you have your foot bungee jumper. Does that mean he's doesn't mean I'm bouncing on like a bouncy house kind of thing? Or that one? Like, I don't want to die with no oxygen. Yeah, the green outdoors, see? Who would want to be in pain? Be lost in a flood. Be swept. I'd rather be lost in a flood. I don't mean swept away. Oh, be swept away because of you. Give the 5 people a knife, shoot 10 people. If I kill people, I don't want to kill no one. You don't want me salad for this, so I eat all the. I don't want to eat all the salad for this one. But fruits, I can live with that. Oh wow. Let's see how many people agree with me. 77% agree. Okay. So far so good. I'd rather be loved than feared. Who would want to be feared? Wait here, see if people agree. So a lot of people didn't agree. 45. No, it's still low. It's getting higher. Okay. 67. Oh darn, it's getting higher. Okay, 82% agree. Okay, pretty good. Would you rather play Firefighter, Halo, or Gears of War? I'd rather play Halo. I don't care enough about Gears of War. No offense to people who do care. It's getting higher. Getting higher. Is it 50-50? It's 50-50. That's good. 45% agree. Okay. You know what's getting higher? Happy people. Firefighter has no matchmaking ability as of yet. What'd you say? Hell one. I think 57% agree. Okay. See, that's less. How about joint work covering 78% of your face? Have 2-foot tail. Like 2-foot tail. I want a tail. Yeah, cool. I want a tail. I really look so good with a tail. Okay. I know, but I want to know what it is. I had it feel like that one or me. I'll be like a wolf. I'll be like a wolf or that fox. I want to move my tail. And that is. Like if I had a cat tail? Yeah, that one. But cats are so adorable. Oh, Taylor Swift. Have a heavy drink or have a heavy food or heavy drink. Because I do not want to smoke at all. I'm never smoking in my life. Always stress. Oh, no, wait, look. Yeah. I'm gonna have to these questions then. Would you rather? Just like royalty. I am no royalty. Just origins like this. Hey, fellow. What the? Yeah, I'm never doing that again. I'd rather. Okay, now we're gonna be answering 3 more questions. Okay, people. Never touch a computer again. Never touch a person. Neither. I would. Eat a 25 toenail. Snort a tablespoon of cinnamon. Okay, I would do that. I am not eating toenails. Okay, guys, 2 more questions to go. Okay, people agree. Be naked. Bathe naked in my eat a branded mixture. No. Okay, movies questions to discuss. Be friends with John White. Who? Never heard of either. Blue West. Apple Smartwatch. I guess Apple? I never heard of Google Glass. I heard of Google Home, but not Google Glass. Google Glass? Okay, 2 more questions. Be credited with the invention of the wheel. Be credited with the invention of the internet. Invention of the internet. Okay, internet wins. 1 more question. I want to be able to whisper. I want to talk like I want. Oh. I'm real. Neither. Eat a tablespoon of salt. Cinnamon. I do not want to have a high blood pressure. Because if you eat a tablespoon of salt, you have a high blood pressure. But if you eat a tablespoon of cinnamon, okay. But I want to eat a tablespoon of salt. Do you want your blood pressure to be high? 1 more question. Have the beginning of a circle like they when you started. Have the excellent. Porsche for Ferrari. Of course you don't want a Ferrari. Okay guys, then the video, be sure to subscribe, like, and comment on the video, and hit the notification button for more content. And peace out!